Some will never understand our passion about cars. We spend endless amounts of hours, blood, sweat, and tears working on these projects to turn them into works of art. We hang out in parking lots and we unify over these machines that we somehow believe have a soul. We celebrate engines, metal, alloys, glass, and rubber. We especially feel the pain when a fellow enthusiast has lost their car to something as terrible as theft. A car should remain with its rightful owner. With this mission in mind, we set out to create an easy-to-install, easy-to-use, simple solution to this problem. We developed the Ghost Lock. The Ghost Lock. Keep cars with their rightful owners. The JDI Ghost Lock is an anti-theft recovery system. Let me tell you all the things it can do. For starters, GPS tracking. It gives you a specific address in real time, not just a general area. You can see where your vehicle is at from anywhere in the world from an app on your phone. The GPS tracker uses 4G LTE cell signal, bouncing between AT&T and T-Mobile towers, giving you the best possible signal. It also upgrades your fuel pump wiring, not only giving you up to 15% better flow, at the same time giving you the power to cut the fuel pump off from the phone. You will also get notifications sent to you through text message or email whether the vehicle is moved in any way, started, towed, or driven. The TrackMate app even monitors your battery voltage. Tracking service starts at $9.99 a month with no contracts. That's less than Netflix. And the best part is it'll work on just about any vehicle. It's time to secure your ride with a JDI Ghost Lock. Visit jordandistributors.com. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? We're out here Saturday at the Legends United meet at MechTech. Over here we got all the people that you want to see. I've been lucky enough to park over here at the Resto Tuner booth, which has an amazing array of reproduction stickers and decals, pressed zinc, nuts and bolts, antennas. Oh, we can hang. Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good. You know what my favorite is This thing is absolutely gorgeous. This white paint is flawless. It looks like it was completely done properly. I'm trying to talk over the music so I don't get red flagged or anything. Look at the interior of this guy. It's even got the Accord temperature gauge mod.
One of my favorites here, my boy's car. There it is. That's what we were looking for.
Who knows, bro? That guy, whatever it is, he's buying stuff. And he was gonna raffle it, but then he decided to take it. It's the option of raffling.
The what? Gonna take a look at a couple more cars just rolling in. Now this is something that you don't see every day. Let's roll. You Gucci? You Gucci? You Gucci?
What up, man?
What up, Papi Chulo?
I know you love my beats.
Oh, I do. I love this car. That's just hot.
My beats, I guess, what you love.
I do. I do. Look at that sweet key. You even got the key in there.
Oh yeah. Let me open the hood so you can see it.
Yeah, pop the hood. Pop the hood. Oh God. Woo! That's what you want. It's a classic bucket. What up? We are wrapping it up live at motherfucking 5. Got a little sunburn today, boy. Oh, wrapping it up at MechTech. Gonna go home. Get ready for tomorrow. Honda meet. What's up, boys and girls? Out here at another Honda meet, formerly. Hey, look, we're seeing all of our old friends. Formerly the IBOC meet. We just saw Eric, the world's loudest EG hatch, pulled up. Everybody's loading in. We got Popeye over here taking some photos. My best friend Eric. Hello, Eric!
Got my hater shades on.
Yeah! Look at that. Look, he's got the coolest shift out of them all.
Nice now.
Hola, papicito. I'm all got my new hat. So, you can see everyone loading in here. Having a beautiful time. It's early, everybody's loading in. Technically, the show does not start till 11. But, you know, this is the fun part where everybody gets to see each other, greet each other, set up, and all that jazz. So I'm gonna walk around with my super sweet hat and take a look at some things. For starters, we got the Resto Turner boys out here selling all of their wares and whatnots and what have yous. All the wonderful things that you could get for your freshly restored old school bucket, as well as bolts. Ooh, I want the red hat. The red hat looks cool. The spoon. I kind of really want one.
I want to put the Type R motor in my CLX. And then I want to be like that.
Absolutely amazing CRX. Another amazing CRX. Some sick fab work on this. Lots of Elgato. Hey Ryan, how's it going? Good to see you, man. And you know me, boy. You know me, boy, Papi Chulo. Papi Chulo. Yeah. Oh shit, she's sexy. I love this DA we saw yesterday, but I just love, man, I really like the 17s on here. Such an always gorgeous car. I want to go Coil Unplugged next. That's my thing. Of course, we know Eric's car. It's been a while since he brought this thing out. Individual throttle body. I really love it. And he's a big supporter of the track. All the cars loading in. CRX, we saw it yesterday, but rolling in today. Oh, there's the white one. Black gorgeous EG right here, bro. That's a real SIR. Look at this man. Look at this man's right here. Look at that hot wrap. That boy hot. Really like that. White. Gorgeous. Hey, Papi Chulo.
I never have.
Oh, I don't have it. I could use it.
Because they fly off and cost you $1,000.
They did.
Driving down the road.
Love that car. That car's gorgeous. If you ain't got a van, you ain't the man. X's. Especially the 0506. Hey! Oh. Who that is? Do you know who that is right there? Oh my God, bro. Boy, that's the most famous man in all America right there. Damn Fred out here stunting. Where's the all wheels? Were all wheels moving? Are the all wheels spinning?
I ain't driving, bro.
What? Why Fred fucking with me?
No, Fred hungry.
So Fred, what's the status on the all wheel?
About 40% there. Just gotta do the fuel tank.
The drive shaft?
Drive shaft, yeah.
Such a beautiful car. But is it going to stay parked in the garage is the question. You know? Another wonderful year of the Honda meat getting cooked out here. It's gorgeous, getting cooked, you know, hot, filming a lot of stuff, you know, just hanging. So, yeah, wrapping it up here at the Honda meet. A couple of cars are starting to roll out. I'm trying to get to the end of the event, even though we're out here cooking to death. So, thanks to everybody that came and said hi. Picked up some Dragon Spec stuff.